Dalawang beses kitang tinawagan. I called you twice. 10 minuto na lang, aalis na tayo. We're leaving in just 10 minutes. Isang kape lang, ayos na ako. One coffee is enough for me. 5 piso na lang ang laman ng bulsa ko. I only have 5 pesos left in my pocket. Nasa ikalawang palapag siya. He or she is on the second floor. 3 araw na akong puyat. I've been sleep deprived for 3 days. May 20 tao yatang naroon. There were about 20 people there. Isang oras na akong naghihintay. I've been waiting for an hour already. 2 ulam ang niluto ni Mama. Mom cooked 2 dishes. May 4 na pusa sa labas. There are 4 cats outside. 9:00 pa raw ang simula. They said it starts at 9. 5 beses siyang lumiban. He or she absents 5 times. Isang linggo na akong pagod. I've been tired for 1 week now. 2 taon na kaming magkakilala. We've known each other for 2 years. Isang tawag lang, sasagot ako. Just one call and I'll answer. May 6 na upuan pa. There are 6 seats available. 5:00 ng umaga ako umuwi. I went home at 5 in the morning. 2 kanin ang in-order niya. He or she ordered 2 servings of rice. Isang bote lang ang binili ko. I only bought 1 bottle. 3 beses akong nadulas. I slipped 3 times. 5 araw ang bakasyon. The vacation is 5 days long. Isang araw lang daw ang biyahe. They said the trip is only 1 day. 2 jacket din ba ang dala mo? Did you bring 2 jackets too? 3 kaibigan ang kasama niya. He or she is with 3 friends. Isang pinggan lang ang hinugasan ko. I only washed 1 plate. 2 linggo na akong nagtitipid. I've been saving money for 2 weeks. 3 tanong lang ito. This is just 3 questions.